Hey everybody, we're back here at Mr. Bill Motor Company. I'm here with our newest family member. Why don't you tell everybody your name out there?
I'm Cheryl.
Cheryl. And Cheryl, I know you came in here to buy a car today.
Yes.
What happened? I mean, walk us through the process a little bit.
I came in, I had filled out my paperwork already previously. They let me test drive a few cars that I was interested in, picked out the one that I liked the most, and
what kind of car was that?
it was a 200 Chrysler.
A Chrysler 200,
Chrysler
a 2014 Chrysler 200.
200. Mm-hmm.
Outstanding, guys. Well, I know the process was pretty painless. About how long did it take you from start to finish?
Start to finish, probably about 45 minutes to an hour. 45
minutes. That's what we're trying to do, guys. We don't want to waste your time. We want to get you in here, land you on the car that you want to drive, and get you out driving so you don't have to spend too much time hanging around without a car. Right. So, all right, that's what we're going to do. Now, I noticed that you work. Where do you work? Give a shout out to everybody that you work with.
Hey, I work at Carter Blood Care at the Addison location. Hey, Nicole and Melanie.
It's a good shout out. Now, I would like to everybody here. Is it more difficult to give blood or buy a car here at Mr. Bill Motor Company?
It's more difficult to give blood. It's easy to buy a car at Mr. Bill Motor Company.
That's right, guys. You don't have to, we're not even going to ask you for your blood. Just come in here, find out how we can help you out. Guys, I don't care what your credit situation is. If you've got a couple repossessions in the past, if you're going through some tough times in life, we understand. Bumps and bruises happen. We're here to get you through that. We work with all types of credit. We've got a flexible program that's going to be able to work for you. Going to get you in the car that you want to drive and get you on your way. Is there any final words out there? I know my sales guys like to hear their name. Who'd you work with today?
Shout out to Lucas. He's the best.
Lucas is the best, guys. Come and find out what he's going to be able to do for you. If you give us a call at 817-265-9009, or you can visit us on our website at MrBillMotorco.com. Both are going to be on the screen right now. Find out what we can do to help you out. Thank you very much, Cheryl.
You're welcome.
And guys,
Thank you.
Remember, when others won't, Mr. Bill will.